Hi everyone, and welcome to this floral nail art tutorial. I promised you guys to use the brushes I got from Wish, so today's the day. I'm gonna use 4 of the products which were in the brush set from Wish. First, let's start by applying a base coat on all the nails. Next up is a fast drying top coat. Let it dry completely and then add the tape. I learned the technique which I'm gonna show you in a minute from the floral nail queen Annabelle from the channel Follow That Way Nails. Her videos are amazing, so make sure to check her out. I will link her channel in the info box below. Mix the base color you used with white and then add some huge blobs. Let's also add some tiny blobs. Now mix in a little bit more of the base color in your white mixture and then go ahead and make some outlines. Repeat the same thing, but this time go in with a white to give the flower some highlights. Go in with the base color and add a dot in the center of each flower. To complete the look, we're gonna add some leaves. For me personally, it looks a little bit empty, so I added some studs. To finish it off, seal everything in with your favorite top coat. So here's the design and I absolutely love it. I admit it's nowhere near as perfect as the designs Annabelle does, but I think it turned out pretty well, and I really like this design and also the color combination. The Wish brushes performed very well, but not as good as my more expensive brushes would. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you Annabelle for the inspiration, and thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I'm gonna link them here for you to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys!